Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how does the Wava.AI works. Let's get started. First, start by opening your browser and visit the Wava.AI. Then here click the official link and in the top right corner, click sign up. Then choose continue with Google to make the process fast and easy. Select your Google account and click continue. Now, once logged in, you'll land in the main dashboard. This is where you can start creating an AI-powered video clips. Click Get Started to begin. Next, you'll see multiple options. You can upload a video, paste a YouTube link, or add a TikTok link. For this guide, click Upload a video and choose a video file from your computer, and click Open. And after the upload finishes, click Next. Now choose the background video such as the Fortnite gameplay, Minecraft, green screen, and other styles depending on your preference. And click Next again. And after that, select Subtitle Template to customize how your caption look. And once you're happy, click Generate Video and Wava AI will automatically create your AI clips. And once your video is ready, open My Video section on the left to view and manage your saved clips. You can also click My Voices to manage the voice settings, and you can add a custom voice. You can select Add New Voice and paste your 11 Loves voice ID to your own AI generated voice. And take note that there's an available pricing plan for the Wava AI. And that's how the Wava AI works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.